Hello students, my name is Sister Nielsen and I will be your instructor this semester. I wanted to make a quick little video and kind of show you how our course works, just to give you a little bit of an idea how to get started. So first thing, when you log into Pathway, this is the page you'll see. So you need to come up here where it says select a course, and you'll drop this down and you will find whatever our course is for this semester. Then when you get in here, you will see an announcement from me. This home page is where all the announcements will be. So every time you log into Pathway, you need to make sure that you view the announcements each week. Every week I will post a lesson announcement. So it will tell you what's going on in the lesson. It will tell you what our objectives are for the lesson, what we're going to be learning, and then it will give you some reminders. I always bold them and add colors so you know exactly where to look, and if you need to go back, you can reference that. So just make sure you view all the announcements. You'll see an announcement down here about free Microsoft Suite that you can get as a Pathway student, and then here is some helpful tips. So I color code my announcements. So the yellow announcements are announcements all about the lessons. The green announcements are helpful tips or information that you might want to know. And if there's a red announcement, it means that it's really important. So once we have looked at all the announcements, every time you log in, look to see if there's a new announcement. Then you can come up here and go to Content. This is going to take you to where all of the information is that we are going to learn this semester. So, for example, here we are on the Overview page. This gives you my contact information, my email, and my office. Okay, I have an online virtual office. I have an office hour once a week on Thursdays from 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, it's not required, but if you would like some extra help, or if you'd like to meet with me or talk to me, you can just click this link right here, and you'll log into my office hour on Thursdays from 8 to 9. Or, if you would like to meet with me at a different time, please just email me at nielsensh@byui.edu, and I'll set up a time to meet with you if you have any questions or concerns or need help. So on this overview page, you're going to want to read the whole page. There is a lot of really important information on here. It goes through a lot of stuff for the whole course. And later on during the class, if you have questions or problems, you can always come back here and see and review to see if any of your questions are here. Okay, so then if you come down here to the Welcome folder, this will give you all kinds of important information to start your class with Pathway. So there's orientation to online learning and your syllabus. Please make sure you view the syllabus. There's a schedule that will help you understand when assignments are due, university policies, and the list goes on. So there's a lot of really great resources here. But just to get started, please view the orientation to online learning and the syllabus. And the rest of this you can come back and look at later. But I don't want you to be overwhelmed, so just start with those two right at the beginning. Then we're going to jump into Lesson 1. So when you click here, you'll see Getting Started. In every lesson, there's a discussion board called Questions and Conversations. If you click here, this is where you can ask me or your classmates any questions that you may have about the course. So you just click Start a New Thread, and then you'll type, I have a question about an assignment, and then you can write your question right here, and then you just come down here and click Post. And then everyone will be able to see it, and I will be able to answer and help you out there. Okay, so we'll go back to the content page. So we're still in the Getting Started part of Lesson 1. There's a Read Me First document that I want you to pay special attention to. It will tell you what's due at the end of the week, It will tell you the best ways to access the course, and it will show you how to download that Microsoft Word. It will also introduce you to the Speaking Partner Program. Each week you'll be able to meet with a native English-speaking person and practice speaking English. So this will tell you how to get started signing up for that. Okay, if you want to go back, you can just click the Getting Started or Lesson 1, and it will take us back to the folders. So then the preview, you'll have a preview each week, and this will show you what our outcomes are. It will give you a little doctrinal introduction, so some quotes from a prophet. Sorry, my daughter here is making lots of noise. Say hi. And then it will show you what is due. So pre-gathering due midweek. So by Wednesday, all assignments are due Wednesday and Saturday. So due by Wednesday is this list right here. Then you'll have your gathering every Thursday where you go in person and meet with your classmates. And then you have your post-gathering at the end of the week. So that will be due on Saturday. All assignments are due by 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mountain Standard Time. 11 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So this is just some really good information that you'll get in every lesson. So I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of Lesson 1. You'll have your pre-gathering. This is everything that you need to do by Wednesday. So you'll just go through here. This will explain the assignment, and then this, anything with a question mark is a quiz. Anything with a world is just reading. So this is all reading. This will help you understand what you're doing here. This is a quiz. And this right here with the little clock tells you when the quiz will close. So you need to do it before that time. Anything that looks like a little paper tray, that is an assignment that you do. So this is a quiz, an assignment, reading, and then two little bubbles means discussion board. So this will be your gathering folder. This is what you need to do before you attend the gathering on Thursday, and then you'll go to the gathering on Thursday. Then post-gathering, this is everything that needs to be completed by Saturday at 11 o'clock p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. So you have the discussion board, then some reading, an assignment, some more reading, an assignment, a quiz, some reading, and a quiz. So I'll go more into detail on the assignments, on how to submit them, and how to do quizzes in another video, but I just wanted to introduce you to the Pathway program and to our class and give you a little brief walkthrough. If you ever want to go back to our announcements page, just come up here and click the code for our class. So I'm really excited to have you in Pathway. I love the Pathway program. I think it is such a wonderful opportunity for so many of us. And I'm proud of all of you for taking this big step to finish your education or to gain more education. Please know that I'm here to help in any way possible. I already love you and I am praying for you, and I'm ready to help. So please let me know as we get started this week what I can do to help you. I'll be continuing to make some more videos to show you exactly how our course works, how to find your announcements, how to find your assignments and quizzes, how to find the discussion board, and how to find your feedback. I like to leave a lot of feedback on your assignments to help you continue to improve and to point out what you're doing well. So it's always important that you read your feedback. If you would like to email me, you can come over here and find my contact information again really easily on the overview, if you remember. And if you would like to send me an instant message, you can come up here and see this little envelope right here. If you click on that, you can send me an instant message by clicking here. And then I will get it and I'll be able to respond to you. So, like I said, I'm very excited to work with you this semester. I'm grateful for the opportunity to know you, and I try to make myself very available, so please let me know if you have any questions or concerns as we get started, but I'm looking forward to a great semester. Thank you.